In this video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to draft professional and effective complaint letters tailored to specific situations. Let's get started. I'll begin by setting some ground rules for how I want the AI to write. I open my notes and copy a set of instructions that emphasize a firm and assertive tone that remains calm and professional. Since I'm based in the Philippines, I want to ensure the language is appropriate for the local context and avoids sounding overly aggressive. I paste these instructions into the chat and send them. Chatgpt confirms that it has saved my preferences and provides a helpful breakdown of the structure it will follow for future letters, including a clear subject line, a statement of the issue, and a specific call to action. Now, let's test it with a real-world scenario. I'll go back to my notes and copy a prompt about a defective air conditioner. I've included specific details like the model number, the purchase date from an appliance center, and the fact that it stopped cooling after only 2 weeks of use. I paste this into the message box and hit enter. You can see the AI immediately generates a well-structured letter that even references the Philippine Consumer Act, making the request for a technician or a unit replacement much more authoritative. Next, I want to tackle a common housing issue. I'll copy a prompt from a tenant to a landlord regarding several unresolved maintenance problems, such as a ceiling leak and a broken elevator. I paste that into the chat. Chatgpt drafts a formal letter that lists each issue clearly along with the dates they were first reported. It even includes a deadline for the repairs and mentions escalating the matter to the proper regulatory board if the issues aren't resolved. Finally, I'll draft a complaint for a telecommunications company regarding slow internet. I copy the prompt, which includes technical details like the promised versus actual connection speeds and specific support ticket numbers. I paste the prompt and send it. The resulting letter is excellent, requesting a full technical investigation and a billing credit for the poor service while mentioning a potential complaint to the NTC. Using Chatgpt this way ensures your complaints are organized, professional, and much more likely to get results. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.